Malacca Gateway project is fully funded by KAJ Development, Sdn Bhd, without any cost to the Malacca state government and federal government. On 16th of November 2020, about 10 a.m. in the morning, a group of officers from Unit Perancang Ekonomi Negeri Melaka, UPEN, impromptu, arrived at KAJ Development Sdn Bhd office at number 1 Jalan Baiduri in Pulau Melaka office, and served a letter of notice of termination for the land reclamation agreement between KAJ Development and Malacca State Government, which was signed on the 4th October 2017, which is 609 acres. The UPEN officers has also posted an A3 size and large print-out letter of the termination notice onto the Malacca Gateway project site archway, which we were very, very, very disappointed and upset, because without notice. We hereby accept that the action of the Malacca State Government in terminating the land reclamation agreement as unlawful, invalid, unfair, unreasonable, and unconstitutional, because we have invested a lot of hundreds of millions, and we also managed to bring in billions of opportunities into this country as a foreign direct investment and domestic direct investment. We have various investors in different components. Yeah. Yes. We have various investors renting from first island to the second island, especially the third island. Third island investment is actually offtake already signed with us for 10 years as an offtaker, and the transaction is $3 billion USD a year. And the investment of the deep sea port is 3.8 billion. Okay? And the cruise jetty, Malacca International Cruise Jetty, which can accommodate the largest cruise in the world, which already successfully bring in investment of 1.4 billion. And besides that, many others is actually already developing. And when we got the operating license 2018, 19th of March, after much study has been conducted. All these are foreign investment. They give us a remedy letters of 30 days.
Yeah.
We have replied, but they said we failed to reply.
Do you have a copy of that letter?
Yes, we have.
Can we get a copy of that letter?
It's actually with our legal.
And
Why I say unlawful? Because we have written letters during when we were put on hold of the projects. We requested for extension of time. May I allow to?
Yes.
Yeah. But it was all been rejected by the state government. We have requested many times. And the letter stating,
They never even replied.
yeah. So, on the 30 days of remedy in the notice, they state that we never replied. But we replied on the 16th of October 2020.